Hi, today in this video I will show you how to create this super cute and funny hedgehog bookmark. This is an easy make. It seems not easy, but it is. And then you will need some paper strips in brown or the color you prefer, a pair of scissors, and a wooden stick for in order to glue your hedgehog and create your bookmark. So let's get started to create this super cute hedgehog. You will need, if you have, a quilling tool to quill the paper. If you don't have this tool, you can quill your paper strips in this way. You will use a toothpick and then you will round the edge and then start to round your strip and quill your strip, and then you can go ahead with your finger. So you will need, in order to create the body of your hedgehog, at least 6 or 7 paper strips. So in this way we will continue to apply and to round our strips in order to create our body. Okay, add another one in this way. Voila, that's quite easy. Okay, and then here 4. It depends of the measure of the body. I will use 6, 5, and the last one. Okay. Voila. Okay, now we have finished, but before to glue our edge, you will need to do in this way. Okay. Now glue your strip together. Okay. Press. And then press here in order to create this form. Okay, this is the body of our hedgehog. Now we will need to create the nose. The same process. We will need to round a paper strip. This is a black paper strip that I cut in half using a pair of scissors, and then in order to create not a super big nose. Okay. Okay, this is a little more difficult, but because it's the paper. Okay, and then glue the end. Now, before to glue the nose to the body, you will need to do in this way. Put some glue here and then leave it to dry. It's better. The nose becomes more stronger. Okay, now we will need to create the 2 feet. Okay, and you can do in this way. Same process with our toothpick. Because it's quite okay. I prefer without toothpick. Okay, and then in this way. Put some glue. And then you can press down this coil. Okay, leave it to dry. The other foot. Okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can adjust later with your finger this coil. Okay. Now leave it to dry. Okay, now it's better to apply the nose and then the body to the wooden stick, the popsicle stick. Okay, this is your nose. Okay, and then we will need to apply some glue on the back, and then in this way. Okay, now we will need to apply this in this way. Okay, you will need to apply here, and the same for the other. Voila, here. Okay, you will need to do it this way. Now we will need to create the eye with the white paper, a circle. Sorry. Okay, apply your circle, apply glue, sorry, glue your circle to the body, and then glue this little circle in black to the eye. Okay. Last thing that we have to create, this part of our hedgehog. We will need a strip, and we will leave it in this way. Okay, start to fold this paper strip. Okay. Okay. Doesn't be perfect. Okay. Now we will need to cut this part of the strip, and then we apply our strip here in this way. Okay, we start with some glue here, and then here. Glue together. You can use something like the toothpick in order to press down your paper, and using the toothpick you can do in this way. Glue, put some glue here and here. Later the glue we will dry, so it will become transparent. Okay, and then press down here and here. Then we will need more glue for the back of our hedgehog, because we are working outside of the wooden stick. Here, press down. We will press down all. Voila. Voila. Okay, using the toothpick you can do this. A little more glue here, and voila, here your hedgehog. So funny. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and see you next time with another idea. Bye bye.